Here we're on the last leg of Route 1, Drive 1. Leaving Gap Road, I merge onto Diamond Hill Road, heading west, back across I-5. Up next is a series of sections that go out and then back down again to Coburg, Oregon. Rain was off and on, and it was pretty uneventful. I'll be showing the highlights, well, what highlights there were. One of those highlights, maybe the only one, a giant road cleaning tractor keeping Diamond Hill east of I-5 pristine and smooth. Those farmers must pay some good taxes to have that guy out buffing that road. Pretty impressive. Crossing over I-5, it's more flat roads and more of, wait for it, Willamette Valley farmland. Heading west on Diamond Hill, I turned south on Powerline Road, then west on Priceboro Drive before connecting with Coburg Road right outside Harrisburg and heading south. There were a few curves here and there, but the number of driveways and the rain really prevented any truly spirited driving. transition from agriculture to the town of Coburg is pretty quick, and I pull into a nice little spot next to a park to take stock, pull my cameras, and head back to the interstate to connect with my next route. I give Diamond Hill, Powerline, Hillsboro, Coburg Roads a 2-star okay. Nothing really special, not really a route I would repeat. Nothing really sticks out except for that road buffing tractor. A good description of the route would be flat. Alright, well, that full path was a mix. The aggregate score came out to 2.5 stars. Fair. Definitely some great sections here and there with a lot of uninteresting connectors. However, though the views were great, the rain was sometimes crazy. I was also able to finally experience what I had been seeing off in the distance the last few years of heading up and down I-5 in this part of Oregon. With better weather, I'm hoping to go even a little deeper into those hills next time. Thanks for watching.